What if I told you that the key to a longer, healthier life might be sitting in your kitchen right now? A humble ingredient found in almost every cuisine around the world: garlic. For centuries, garlic has been revered not just for its flavor, but for its incredible health benefits. And today, science is finally uncovering its powerful connection to longevity. Garlic isn't just a modern superfood. It's been used for thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians fed it to workers building the pyramids for strength. Greek athletes ate it before competitions. And traditional Chinese medicine used it to boost immunity and vitality. But was this just folklore? Or is there real science behind garlic's life-extending powers? Modern research reveals that garlic is packed with sulfur compounds like allicin, the stuff that gives it that strong smell. And these compounds are the real heroes. Here are the key benefits. Boosts immunity. Garlic enhances white blood cell function, helping you fight infections. 2. Fights inflammation. Chronic inflammation speeds up aging. Garlic helps reduce it. 3. Supports heart health. It lowers blood pressure and cholesterol, reducing heart disease risk. 4. Antioxidant power. Protects cells from damage, slowing down aging at the molecular level. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that aged garlic extract could even improve lifespan in animals. And human studies suggest regular garlic eaters have lower risks of age-related diseases. But here's the catch. Not all garlic is created equal. To get the most benefits, you need to use it the right way. Here are some pro tips. Crush or chop it. This activates allicin, the key compound. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Allows enzymes to work before cooking. Eat it raw if you can. Heat reduces some benefits, but cooked garlic is still great. Try fermented black garlic, even more antioxidants and a sweeter taste. So, if you want to add years to your life and life to your years, maybe it's time to embrace the power of garlic. Drop a comment below. Do you eat garlic daily? Have you noticed any health benefits? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our next longevity secret. Thanks for watching. And remember, sometimes the simplest foods hold the greatest power. See you in the next video.